Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And thank you so much for staying with me. For today's video is gagawa, parang kapiging ilog ko. Ano ba nangyayari dito? Parang bulge itong isa kayo dito. I will follow a certain influencer regarding on how to do a peachy makeup look. So I'll try my best. I'm not really good in doing makeup. I'll just try my best to follow her instructions on how to do a peachy makeup look. So I asked a couple of friends of mine to give any suggestion because I'm not really into myself right now. I just want to have some inspirations on what makeup look yung gagawin ko ngayon. So she suggested to make a peachy makeup look because she mentioned that just freshy. Nakaka-fresh lang siya.
Oo nga!
And then, simple lang siya. And again, pardon sa aking background. Hindi nyo makikita yung aking fairy lights because nasira ko yung stand ng aking ring light. So, I have to plaster it on the wall and make some adjustments. Alright, so hair is up. So nakapaghilamos na tayo. Fresh na yung mukha natin. Ready na applyan ng makeup. So first things first is magpa-primer tayo. I'll be using EB Advanced Primer. First step, mattifying primer. So ito siya. So, first step, yeah, this is the first step. So, yan. Okay na tayo. So, for our foundation, so I'll be using Fit Me Balance, Shine Free Balance. So, I'm in the shade 220 Natural Beige. So, let's see kung kakulay ko pa rin siya. Kasi sabi nila pumuti daw ako.
Oo nga!
Okay pa naman siya. Let's try. Okay, so for our concealer, I'll be using this nag-oil up na EB liquid concealer. So kasi mas try nga natin, check na natin kung so I'll be using this one, EB concealer, para sa so I'll be using this EB Everbelena Everbelena Sculpt and Double Strobe Stick. So meron na siyang ayan, highlight. Alright, so for our cheek, so I'll be using Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte in the shade of Best Babe.
Oh, wow!
Yung ano natin dito, you're the best babe. Bawain muna natin yung ating eyes bago tayo mag-eyebrows. Okay. So, like what I've mentioned, ang challenge ko sa sarili ko is my eyes. Kasi as you can see, hindi po siya basta ganun kadali lagyan ng eyeshadow because nagtatago yung mga eyeshadow. So, gagawa na siya ng paraan. Yung may mga problemang kagaya ko, sana makatulong to and sana magabayan ko patnubayan ko. Char. So, for our eyeshadow, we will be using Sassy Lady or Sassy Lady, whatever it is how it's being pronounced. No doubt. So, it is Sassy Lady 01. 01 siya. Actually, nung previous, I've already covered this in my previous video. So, ito siya. Meron siyang, ayan. Ayan. So, meron siyang shimmer, meron siyang matte. Hirap ng pagganito yung mata. Hindi ka hindi mo mabigyan ng justice yung mga eyeshadow kasi pag adiba na wala. Yung feeling na ang daming nilagay sa mata mo tapos hindi siya nakikita. And then, we're gonna do some wing eyeliner. So, base doon sa nakita ko, pag ganito daw na downturned yung eye, it means mahaba yung taas yung line ng kasi suppose ganyan. Ayan, nakikita niyo. Make it halfway. Huwag mo siyang i-meet doon kasi para hihirapan ka mag-check. So, meet me halfway. Mahaba na yung tungkil. Tutusok na yun yung ano. Hirap niya i-achieve, girl. Sobra. So, I'll be doing the other eye makeup off-cam para hindi na tayo humaba. Wait, our tea. So, ayan na nga yung ating eyes.
Ganda!
Hirap niya i-achieve. O, diba? Tinan niyo. Oh, wala lang effort natin kanina na pinaglalagyan ako. Wala na yata talagang pag-asa maayos to. So, arky talaga yung eyes mo. So, let's use this Everbelena brow gel, liquid brow gel. to tame our bushy eyebrows.
Let's try this using the Face Leader Sesame Mattifying Loose Powder. Let's try this.
Alright, so we'll be using this one. Since kailangan natin i-connect itong papunta doon para naman magkaroon ng definition. Kahit tayo walang definition sa buhay. Sabi ko, di po po. Ano nangyayari? Ayan na. After 10,000 years, naikabit na po natin ang ating falsies. So,
Ganda!
hindi na ako mukhang Koreano. Ayan, so gumamit tayo na itong Everbelana Matte Lip Liner. Ayan.
Yan po siya mga Peachy. So, kailangan natin siyang i-tone down. Gamit ang ating mga nude color from Maybelline as well. So, hindi kasi marunong mag-lip liner na din.
Ganda ng tone down nga siya mga pigment. Okay, so mag-change off the and I'll be back. Ayan, so here is our final look. So, patayin ko muna ito electric fan dito para ma-justify yung ating makeup look. So, this is my version of Peachy makeup. Hindi mo siya mukhang peachy. Okay. Okay na ako na dito. With me, Pancakes, and I will be seeing you on my next one. And remember, don't forget, you are loved, you are important, you can make it, and always choose to be happy. Sending hugs. Until next time. Ciao!